Okay, welcome back. So let me just introduce this project. This is a basically minor project, a mini project for basically the aim of this project is to you can start building small applications using Laravel framework, and this is basically a simple application. Right after this project, we will be work on our e-commerce project, and we will build our admin panel and then the front end side, all this stuff, right? Okay, let me just introduce this project. Let me just present it. If I just click on hit submit button, you can see it has a good validation. The title field is required, and if I just add a title, for example task 2 for example, and hit the submit button, there it is. You can see the flash message, task has been created. So if I just scroll down, you can see the task has been created here, right? And it has also a delete functionality. So if I just click on delete button, you can see the task has been deleted, right? Okay, so let's just build this project together.